Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. The yogis, they are also trying to understand by body exercise. The jnani is also trying to know, understand fully that I am not his body. And the karmis, they cannot understand. They are as animals. The animals cannot understand that he is not body. Actually, the karmis, jnanis, yogis are a little maybe elevated than the animals. That's all. They are on the animal platform, but it is little elevated. So I give this example, perhaps you heard it, that the dry side of the stool. India, they pass stool on the open field. So at the end of the day, because there is sunshine, the upper side of the stool becomes dry. And the lower side is still moist. So somebody says, this side is very good. And he does not know it is stool after all. And this side or that side. So these rascals, they are on the bodily concept of life, and they are thinking that I am nationalist, I am yogi, I am this, I am that, I am that. This is different. So now you are in the bodily concept of life. You are no better than the animal. That is the Bhagavad Gita. You are right. Jashyat buddhi kunapeti dhatuke. Jashyat buddhi kunapeti dhatuke. Sadhi kalatra dishuho vaijyati. Jab tirtha buddhi salilena karhiji janeshu avikneshu saivika gokala. So, gokala means, go means cow, kala means ass, animal. So who is that? Now, Jashyat buddhi kunapeti dhatuke. This bag of tridhat, kaha, pitta, vayu. One thinks that I am this body. I am this body. And in body relation, because in body relation I have got my family, society, children, wife, country, and therefore they are mine. So this Shantha Buddhi Kunapiti Sadhi. Sadhi means thinking they are mine. I am God. Sadhi Kalatrādishu. Kalatra means wife. Through wife we get children, we expand. The Sanskrit word is three. Three means expand. I remain one. As soon as I get wife, I become two, then three, then four, then five, like that. That is called three. So, our expansion. These expansions, this material expansion, bodily expansion means illusion. Janasya mohoyam aham nameti. This illusion increases. That I am this body and in bodily relation, everything is mine. Aham. Aham means I and mama means mine. Hare Krishna